Good evening friends, this is Manpreet Singh and today I am again ready with a new video, and in this video I am going to talk about a particular area which is grammar. And in order to deal with the problems which we are facing in this very particular area, we need something very important, that is grammar improvement plan, so that we can work on our grammatical errors and we can rectify those errors so that we can get maximum score in this area of our IELTS exam. Because as we all know that grammar is responsible for 25% of our overall score in both writing module and in the speaking module. So many of my friends and even my students are still struggling to get a desired score in writing, and they don't know what is wrong with their writing. Sometimes the majority of problems are in this area, in grammar area. So in today's video I am going to share with you the plan which can help us to deal with this problem, and I am sure that if you will work on this plan, then definitely you can deliver your best in this area of the IELTS exam. So what is this grammar improvement plan? First of all, let me clear with you that this grammar improvement plan means we have to work on step by step to improve our grammar. Okay, so we can take the very first step by identifying our weakness. So we have to identify what is our weakness in grammar. As we all know that there are different areas of grammar. There are tenses, there are passive sentences, there are modals, there are some complex sentences, compound sentences, conditional sentences. So maybe you are not having problem with all the areas of grammar. Maybe you are only having problem with some particular areas. For example, maybe your weak area may be the use of modals. Maybe you are not sure where to use can or should. So this is the particular area of your weakness. So it is not recommended that you waste your time on working on all grammar areas. You should only focus on this very particular area. You should only focus on the area where you are not strong, where you are making errors. So identify your weak area and start working on that weak area. Don't worry about all the grammar, because maybe you will not need all the grammar to get a good score in IELTS. You should only focus on the area where you are making mistakes, and this area can be identified very easily if you have a good teacher with you. If you can ask your teacher to provide a feedback on your essay or on your report, or when you are speaking, the teacher can assess in which area of the grammar you are having problems. Okay, all this can help you to identify your weakness. And moving to the next step, once we have identified our weakness, such as maybe we are weak in the use of modals, then the next step is learn the rules. This is a very crucial step. So now you need to learn the rules of the modals, where we can use these modals accurately, and a good teacher can help you in learning these rules, so that you can learn these rules and you can work on these rules. Now again I am going to draw your attention towards a very particular point. Some students know what is their weakness and they try their best to learn the rules, but they do not practice them more often. So that is the area which I am going to move now, practice. So it is rightly said that practice makes perfect. So practice is very important. Once you have identified your weak area of grammar and you have learned the rules from your teacher, then it is the time to practice those rules. It is the time to write a good essay or write anything in English using the modals. For example, if your weak area is modals, okay, so you need to practice. And the fourth and final step is get feedback. So get feedback from your teacher. Okay, so now you know your weakness and you have learned the rules to overcome this problem, and you are practicing enough, you are doing enough practice on in this particular area. Now the final step is to get feedback. You need to show your work to your teacher, how you are doing in this weak area. And only a good teacher, only an expert teacher can tell you whether you are improving or whether you need some more lessons or whether you need to spend some more time on learning the rules and maybe you need more practice. So I am definitely sure if you will follow all these steps, then you can definitely improve your grammar, and if you will follow this plan, it will save you a lot of time because you will only have to focus on your weak area, and you can easily overcome this problem of grammatical errors. So thank you very much for watching this video. Again, if you need any help regarding any module of the IELTS, you can contact me or you can send me a message, and I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching this video.